How to get your first 250 subscribers as a Minecraft YouTuber. Hey everyone, my name is Hydro and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your first 250 subscribers as a Minecraft YouTuber, and I'm going to be giving you a total of 10 important points that will help you to achieve this goal. So watch till the end because you don't want to miss out on any point that may just take your channel to the next level. So starting in at number 10, finding out what you're good at. It is important to find out what you're good at within Minecraft itself, such as giving tutorials or mod reviews or even seed reviews, and focus on making content around that one topic. Now, of course, you can experiment with different topics on your channel itself so that you can find out which topic or niche you enjoy covering the most. Focusing on making content around something that you're good at in Minecraft will also mean that you can give your viewer the best experience while watching your video and will give them a reason for them to subscribe to your channel. Now, at number 9 we have communication with your audience. Now listen to this very carefully as this is a really important step which a lot of new creators on YouTube ignore, and that is communicating and engaging with your audience. Just by replying to your comments or hearting them, you can turn a viewer into a subscriber. Also, answering your viewers' question by replying to them or by making an entire video dedicated to just answering that question, which may seem a bit excessive, but just to show you an example, I made a video on how to fix privacy settings for Minecraft Bedrock. And a lot of viewers had asked me how to do it on Minecraft Pocket Edition as well. And hence, I made a completely separate video for it. And now that video has well over 4,000 views. This is proof that it works, and also your audience will feel that you listen to them and hence giving them another reason to subscribe to your channel. Now moving to number 8, interacting with your audience. Now you may think that it is the same as communicating with your audience, but it is not, and let me tell you how. Interacting with your audience means actually playing Minecraft with them, as well as maybe starting a realm or a server for your audience to enjoy, and be active and play with them as well. This personally helped me a lot in gaining subscribers, and this will also strengthen the bond you have with your audience and subscribers. Now at number 7, using channel growth tools such as vidIQ or TubeBuddy, which are absolutely free and really helps you in getting more views on your videos and in growing your channel by suggesting popular keywords for titles, popular tags, and you also have the option to create custom thumbnails using these tools. I'll link both of these in the description down below, and if you primarily record and edit videos on your mobile device, both TubeBuddy and vidIQ have their own mobile app on the Play Store and App Store as well, which you can download and use for absolutely free. And now, coming at number 6, keeping a track of your videos. Now listen to this. What most creators do is just upload their video and never take a look at it again. But it is important to keep a track of your old videos as well by looking at the analytics or just the views in general. Now, the reason you'd want to do this is because sometimes your video won't do well when you have just put it out, but in a month or two it suddenly explodes and gets a ton of views. And this actually happened to me when I uploaded my first video in the first month. It barely had 20 views, but then all of a sudden the video exploded, and in just 3 short months it now has over 7,000 views. Doubling down on popular content. As I just mentioned that my video exploded in popularity, I made a ton of new videos related to it as well. This is called doubling down on your content, taking a popular video and making 5 to 6 videos about it. This will not only get you views, but YouTube will also put your content first in search, which will help you in getting your channel recognized to a much larger audience. Now, at number 3, call for action. Now that you have a ton of views on your videos, you need to tell people to subscribe to your channel and hit the like button, otherwise people will just forget and move on. And trust me when I say that this step is really important, and I regret not knowing it at the time I made my Realms Fix video, which now has over 12,000 views, and had I done a call to action, I would probably have 400 to 500 subscribers, if not more, easily. You never know which video might blow up, and hence it's really important to do a call to action in your videos. Coming in at number 2, we have video tags. Video tags are one of the most useful features for creators on YouTube as they help your video in ranking on search as well as to reach a wider audience. As I mentioned before, you can use TubeBuddy or vidIQ to help you get popular tags which will help your video to rank in search as well as help your video to reach a wider audience. Now, coming to the number 1, and this is the most important one, we have titles and thumbnails. Now, all that I have mentioned before will all be completely useless if you do not have a good title or thumbnail. Using popular keywords in your title will make the YouTube algorithm to promote your videos to a wider range of people. As I said before, you can use the tools such as vidIQ and TubeBuddy to help you get trending keywords for your titles. Now, as for thumbnails, don't try to copy everyone else's. Yours should stand out if you want people to click on your video. Think of your thumbnail as a cover of a magazine. However good the content may be, you probably won't open the magazine if your cover page is dark and gloomy. Whereas a magazine with a bright and colorful cover will grab your attention and you'll want to open the magazine. In the same way, your thumbnail has to be bright, the colors must pop and stand out from the rest of the thumbnails if you want people to click on your video rather than someone else's. And with that, guys, I have come to an end in the video. So if you did enjoy the video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Now, goodbye.